Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jacob with Moreno's Landscaping and Lawn Maintenance. Today, out here in Central Florida, and it's very nice and cool. It's cloudy, and we're gonna get rain today, and we gotta get rain tomorrow, which is good because that will help with getting all these leaves to finally fall. Because I'm getting tired of picking up leaves. Well, anyways, so today I'm by myself, guys. Sparky had some things he had to take care of today, so he wasn't able to here today, but he wasn't even here last Monday and Tuesday. So last week was crazy, guys. He got so much accomplished last week, it was just crazy. But anyways, today we're gonna see what I can get done today by myself. And I just want to show y'all something. Check out the equipment defender racks. So I put two on the side on the trailer here. It looks like it's gonna work out pretty good. I really like this. I was able to put two. I had a green touch one, the B100, whatever, BP 100. But what happened was, where I keep my shop at the gate, I ended up hitting the pole. It nipped. It caught onto. It hit the pole, and it yanked it off my trailer. Kind of twisted it up. It might still work. I just gotta mess with it. But I had bought these already. These were gonna be for the enclosed trailer. But yeah. So anyways, these right here, guys, they're probably what, $100 cheaper than the green touch. So that's why I didn't go ahead and buy an additional green touch. Was for these were way cheaper. And they're pretty good. I like, it's not bad at all. So well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get started. What I'm gonna do, all right, so a lot of y'all guys have been saying, how come I don't just blow the mulch up the leaves and all that? So I took y'all's advice, guys. So what I did, I got a piece of board, I screwed it onto the discharge area, and I ended up doing that because Saturday, guys, I did this property, and that's what it basically was about. It was just leaves. It was nothing but leaves, and they just wanted the mowed, and then the leaves down the driveway picked up, and in the back area and all that. So I was able to blow all the leaves into a big old pile, especially in the back. And they had just bought this house, and it's full of trees, leaves everywhere. But I ended up doing that, and it worked out pretty good. It mulched up a lot. I didn't have to carry any leaves with me. I was able to blow it out, whatever. But so I did take y'all's advice. A lot of y'all been telling me, why don't I, use a chute block or whatever. But I didn't want to pay the $200 or something, which I probably still get it later. But anyways, this is gonna work out just fine. It worked out fine Saturday. So anyways, guys, let me get started. But all right, guys. All right, so I had to go buy some of these. I had one here, this one. Let's see. I was taking it off at the shop, and it ended up breaking on me. So, well, anyways, all right, guys, I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, so the other one, I was taking it off and it ended up cracking. So I got me another one, and then I got an extra one for backup, just in case the other one decides to break. But anyways, all right. So this is, before I forget, this is house number 1. So last week we did a lot of trimming here. We didn't mow it, but we got a lot of the hedge trimming done. We got this top here. Let's see here. We didn't trim none in the front, so I'll probably be trimming some of that today. Let's go back here. Alright, so the trimming's not that bad. That's nasty here. But anyways, see the trimming. I did this last week. And this was crazy overgrown. But no trimming for today. Yes, this is good. All right. All right, guys, so I just got done with house number 1, so I'm at house number 2. So when it's so windy down. Every time I blow the, well, anyways, it's working, guys. It's working nicely, blowing all the leaves in. I didn't have to pick up no trash at the other house, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna do the same thing here, blow all the leaves into the grass here, and then just chop it up. All right, well, anyways, guys, here, house number 2. Alright, so house number 2 is done. Just got done. I just the mowing, edging, weed eating. I didn't do the trimming of the hedges because they're not that bad, but I did pass the trees. So that house is done. Worked out pretty good. Didn't have to pick up no trash. Blew air all the leaves and whatever into the grass. So it's working out pretty good. Alright, next to the next house. Alright, guys, so I'm over here at house number 3. So we'll do the same thing here. It doesn't look that bad. This is probably one of the simpler houses I do. So, and they've been doing a lot of tree work here, so they've been cutting down. You can see here, got some trees cut down. They're cutting trees over there. So they've been here, they were here almost all last week, but they still got their stuff here. So I'm assuming they're gonna be back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hurry up and get done, so I'm not here when they do get back. So all right, guys, I'll see you at house number 4 whenever I get done with this one, guys. All right. All right, guys, so I made it to the 4th property. Doesn't look that bad. Trees don't look that bad. Hedges don't look that bad. This is the Viburnum suspensum. And I don't know why, but we've been having problems with them for the past couple of years, where they've been losing a lot of their leaves, and but they always end up coming back. So you got Viburnum ortisum, sweet viburnum, and this is Viburnum suspensum. See, they got a lot of new growth already, but some reason they said it was some kind of like a fungus that they, like a virus that they ended up getting. And so like 2 years ago we were dealing with this. We had to cut them back, and then they came back. Once we cut them back, they filled in real nicely, but supposedly they had got some kind of virus. But ever since, well, it's been what, 2 years or so, we've been dealing with they haven't looked so healthy. But to tell you the truth, this ain't my favorite shrub anyways. You know, this thing, when it gets wet, it smells like a wet dog. But anyways, Well, all right, guys, let me get this place done. Got a lot of weeds in the cracks. I'm going to have to spray all that. Hey, question: do y'all charge extra for spraying the cracks, or is that, or do y'all do that as part of y'all's deal? Because this is a lot of weeds in these cracks. Well, the trees don't look that bad. Well, anyways, trees don't look that bad. Shrubs are kind of okay. I could probably pass them. So, well, all right, guys. All right, real quick. So I'm walking down this paver, down this road, and I noticed that it doesn't look right. You see all that kind of looks dirt. And you can kind of see where the water lines here. So I'm walking and I can see that doesn't look right. So there's a break somewhere, and then you know you see a little spot of sand here, and see another spot there. And you see another spot there. See, this looks like it's been washing out. See how this looks real thin there. So I bet you anything there's a break somewhere. See, I don't see nothing here. Everything looks good here. Watch, I bet you anything there's a break. What I tell you. And there it goes to the water line. Alright, so the top of the road came off. So that's easy fix there. But still, you know what I mean? Just paying attention to like little details like that. You know, it just, that's what kind of sets you apart from people that go in and go out, you know. And that's just, I guess, I don't know, maybe that's just experience, I don't know. But anyways, that's broken. I gotta get it fixed. So, you know. All right, guys, so this is house number 5. I don't do the maintenance on this place, but I did get a call for irrigation. They were having some dry spots in the back area. Ends up, it was a pretty simple fix. Might have to just move one rotor around, but it looked like they had a break before, and I guess they didn't flush out the system after they fixed the brake. Well, replaced the rotor or whatever. So all the nozzles were all clogged up. So got those unclogged, and now, well, it's working. But just gonna be changing out one rotor, moving it around. I do have a little dry spot in the back, but besides that, guys, that's it. Look at that, I got hair. I don't know, what is that, grass? I don't know. Anyways, guys, I head to the shop now. All right, see you when I get there. Or, yeah, I don't know, whatever.